Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can turn off the daily reminders within the PocketGuard application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PocketGuard app on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page, which is the Expenses tab. Now from this page, if you wish to turn off the daily reminder that is given to you by the app, just click on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. From this page, you will now see the daily reminder option. If this toggle is set to the right, then this means that daily reminder is turned on. Just tap on the toggle to set it to off, and now your reminder has been disabled. To make sure that you don't receive any more notifications, you can long press on the PocketGuard application and tap on the Info button. This will now take you into the application info page. Now from this page, tap on Notifications and make sure Allow Notifications is set to off. If it is set to on, then this might allow other notifications from the PocketGuard app. Once this is turned off and your daily reminder is turned off as well, you will now not receive any more notifications or reminders from the PocketGuard app. And if you wish to change this setting back once again, you can go back to the settings page and turn it on, and also enable notifications from the application info page. And there you have it. That is how you can enable or disable daily reminders and notifications from the PocketGuard app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.